We are from group 6 and
I'm Lee.
I'm Nengli. I'm Hungarian.
I'm Dini.
Our group project was doing smart pet feeder. Then later let us show the
Features of this system to you.
This is the smart pet feeder that we had designed, and the system had 6 modules. The first one is greeting module, and the second is football module. The third one is food container module, LDR module, and we have used the fan instead of the stepper motor. And the greeting module was like this. When the switch was off, the LCD screen will show the word close, and when the switch was on, it will show the greeting word to catch the attention of the user. And next, let us show you the football module and how it works. So basically, for football, we have 2 sensors. One sensor for sense the presence of food, and one sensor for presence the water. And here we will show the status of the water and food inside the ball. So if the food presence in the ball, it will display full in the 7-segment display. But if the food is empty, it will display empty. And and the fan will on instead of the stepper motor. We use the fan to open the door of the container. And so if the water sense the presence of water in the bowl, it will display a water full in the LCD. And if no presence of water in the bowl, it will display water empty in the LCD to remind the owner pet about the status of the bowl.
For the food container module, we have 2 input, that is infrared sensor, 2 infrared sensor. And if 2 infrared sensor didn't sense anything, then the level will become level 1 and buzzer will be on. If the first infrared sensor detects something, then it will become level 2 and the buzzer will not on. If the second infrared also detects something, then it will become level 3. The buzzer is to warn the pet owner to refill the food in the container.
For our last module is LDR module. For if the input used is LDR sensor, if the LDR sensor not detect light, it LED will light up to light the surrounding of the pet feeder.
This is the additional module for step motor, and we have set the 4 switch as the input. The first key will be the direct, the second key is enable on, the third key is reset, and the fourth key is clock. And then we will toggle it when we run the motor. When we want to run the stepper motor, we need to be on first and toggle the clock. It will show the different state of the stepper motor. And since we are use the hand to toggle the clock, and the frequency for it was so slow, it's supposed to have a nano hertz for the stepper motor to run smoothly. Since we are just use the hand to toggle, so the So the stepper motor will just rotate slightly only.